Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Tap and hold the thumbnail for your song and menu options will appear above. Tap the share icon, followed by the ringtone icon. Name the ringtone, hit export. When finished exporting, tap standard ringtone to set it as the default ringtone of the device. 1 November 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Set custom ringtone on iPhone without iTunes. Go to Settings, right pointing arrow, Sounds and Haptics, right pointing arrow, ringtone. The recently created tone will be displayed on top of the list under ringtones. Tap it to set it as your ringtone. The 15th of February 2021.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to set ringtones in iPhone without computer. Step 1. Go to Settings. Step 2. Tap on Sounds and Haptics. Step 3. Tap on Ringtone greater than. Step 4. Choose a native ringtone offered by Apple iPhone. The 20th of October 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.